My name is Dr. Alex Coats. I am the incoming surgical resident here at SPSS. I was the surgical intern this whole last year, so I'm excited to be continuing on with the team. So I'm originally from Rapid City, South Dakota. I did all of my undergrad in the Midwest. I went to vet school in California. I did my internal medicine rotation out here in Arizona, and then they offered me a rotating internship and I decided to stay, and I've been here ever since. So I'm a very outdoorsy person. I like to hike. In the summer, I really like to be on the water. I really like traveling, which can't do much of that during residency, but someday we'll get back to that again. I'm also a big movie fan. I like to go to movies. I'm kind of a nerd, so I am into all the Marvel and Star Wars franchises, so I go see those whenever I can too. I knew from a very young age, like a lot of us do, that I wanted to work with animals in some capacity. Steve Irwin was my biggest influence growing up. I was always glued to the TV whenever Crocodile Hunter was on, so I knew that I wanted to do something with animals, and I just wasn't quite sure what that was. So as I kind of got older and went through school and high school and everything, it kind of settled more on the medical side of things with the veterinarian. So here I am pursuing my dream. Having my own dog who went through a surgery a few years ago, I understand from a client perspective of how scary and how stressful that can be and how you just sometimes aren't thinking straight. So I think we do a really great job to have or make clients feel like they're, very much involved with the care of their pets, and that, we're taking care of them like we would take care of our own animal overnight. We sit in the kennel with them, we cuddle with them, we do everything we can to make them comfortable. And I think that in turn helps the clients feel comfortable too.